Hello, lovely people. So, Tennis Premier League is back with its season 7. This time it's happening in Ahmedabad from 9th of December till 14th. I'll be traveling to Ahmedabad on 14th to watch semifinals and finals with my son Devansh. Vlog that you're currently watching is from last year's Tennis Premier League semi-final and final event, which happened on 8th of December 2024 in Mumbai. First few seconds of the vlog is actually a screen recording. My father couldn't join us, so he was watching it on TV. And he told us that he saw Devansh. So I asked him to do a little screen recording. I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog. We started 6 o'clock in the morning from Vadodara. We drove for about 2 to 3 hours and then we decided to stop at Parsi Dairy Farm on NH48. We had breakfast, then we took some great pictures. This place is such a vibe, full of nature and plants. You'll see some strawberry and vegetable plantations over here and some farm animals. So yeah, this place is great to relax after a long drive. You can come with your family, and great place for kids. They love it, and food is also amazing. So yeah, you can take a stroll, relax, have your lunch, brunch, or breakfast. They have amazing milkshakes as well, and don't forget the chocolates before you hit the road. So we found a lot of traffic on Western Express Highway. So before we reached Worli Sea Link, it was around 2 o'clock. We had very little time. We had to get to the venue for the first match between Mumbai Eagles versus Gujarat Panther. We couldn't miss that match. It was the first semi-finals and we were traveling from Vadodara, so obviously we were supporting for Gujarat Panthers. So we quickly finished our lunch at the hotel and we reached at the CCI Club Mumbai, which is at the church gate. They have a beautiful tennis facility over there. So yeah, as I said, the first match was against Gujarat Panthers versus Mumbai Eagles. And there was a lot of support for Mumbai Eagles. The crowd was very noisy and they were very vocal. Obviously they were supporting their home team. So yeah, we were kind of outnumbered, but we did our best to support Gujarat Panthers. And we were quite excited to see Sumit Nagal, who was #1 ranked Indian player, and he still is, and who was playing for Gujarat Panthers. Sumit Nagal won his singles match against Karan Singh. However, Gujarat Panthers lost as a team because they lost both their doubles matches. I was quite impressed with Karan Singh, who was India #2 at that point in time. We were quite disappointed, especially Devansh, who was in tears as he was hoping Gujarat to win. But we did get pictures with Karan Singh, so that was a silver lining. Leander Pace was also there. He's a mentor to Delhi Aces, but the team was already knocked out, so they couldn't qualify for semi-finals, but he was still there. Second semi-final was between Rajasthan Rangers and Hyderabad Strikers. It was great to see Rohan Bopanna in action. He was playing for Rajasthan Rangers. He's got a world-class serve and he's a legend of Indian tennis, obviously, so it was great watching him in action. Hyderabad Strikers won the second semi-final quite easily. We got a chance to get pictures with India #1 Sumit Nagal and a couple of other players from Rajasthan and Hyderabad. We decided to explore the place, so we took a stroll around the practice courts where players were practicing. We had some snacks, some sandwiches. So the stage was set for the finals between Hyderabad Strikers and Mumbai Eagles, and it was a very close match. We had a lot of fun. Devansh was dancing and cheering. So once Gujarat Panthers was out, we were cheering for Mumbai, obviously. Atmosphere was crazy. It was electric. It was a bit breezy that day, and everyone was cheering for Mumbai. Obviously, they were the home team. Crowd was doing their bit. Devansh was doing his Kung Fu Ninja moves. it was fun. So players from both teams they played out of their skin. Hyderabad they were too strong, but Mumbai really gave them tough fight. It all came down to singles, men's singles between Karan Singh, who was playing for Mumbai Eagles, versus Benjamin Locke, who was playing for Hyderabad Strikers. Both players were really tall, they had fast game, they were serving bombs at each other. I see a lot of potential in Karan Singh. He's got the height, he's got the physique, as tennis is very, very physically demanding these days. So he's got all those ingredients. He's fast, he's got that powerful serve, power game from the baseline. If he can work on his consistency, I'm sure he's going to get a lot of ranking points, and he's someone who can serve Indian tennis in future for many, many years. So Hyderabad Strikers won the championship. They really played well as a team. So we were quite hungry, so we quickly clicked some pictures and then we rushed to the Mockingbird Cafe first. We were really, really hungry, so we hopped, grabbed some drinks quickly, and yeah, it was fun. So after the dinner, we took a walk at the Marine Drive's promenade, Queen's Necklace, that's famously known. After that, we bounced straight to the hotel to get much needed sleep. Next day, we headed back to Baroda. It was a great experience, and I enjoyed making this vlog. I hope you liked watching this. Thank you so much.